Good afternoon, my name's Adi, this is my garage, that's my driveway over there, and yeah, absolutely stacked full of crap again as always, and we're running out of space because we've now got a replacement engine for the 8. Popped down to see Graham Whiteside, so thanks very much to him. He pulled this engine out for me. It was a running 1108 a fair few years ago. Looks a bit crusty, but I'm sure it's in better condition than the one we've already got, which, as you may have seen in the other videos, has got holes in piston 1, piston 2, and there's shrapnel in piston 3, though it's still running fine. I couldn't knowingly put the head back on it and carry on running it. So what we're going to do is we're going to prep this one for fitting into there. I'm not fussed by the fact that it looks really grotty. As long as it turns over fine, I'm happy with that, and then we can get all the ancillaries bolted on. For me today, or this afternoon, I'm just going to whip off the old dynamo because we already run a 12-volt alternator setup. I'm going to leave the carb on there, hopefully a flush through with some fluids. We'll see it right. Once we get it mounted, what we'll do is yeah, start getting it to crank over so we can build some oil pressure, make sure it actually flows some oil through. We'll also swap that out so we can have an oil filter on there like we did on the earlier one, which you can see it's got a Perflux on the side of it. That filter on there, I might as well just reuse it. It's literally done 30 seconds of running. Water pump doesn't look amazing. Again, no biggie. The water pump on that one's probably done about 400 miles, so we can swap that one on if needed. But yeah, everything's looking kind of okay. It does slightly move. I don't want to go mad with the plugs still in there, but what we're going to do is we're going to take it apart. We'll pop the plugs out, get some fluid in there, make sure it goes up and down nicely, rip a few bits off, maybe swing it in the hole straight away this evening, and then we can work on actually getting it up and running again. Right, let's get cracking. Alright, we are in. We got the starter motor on, we've wired up the starter motor, we have put the old fly lead on. That probably needs something bigger there, but just to ground it a little bit, though it grounds itself to rubber, so that's not right. So hopefully it will spin. What I need to do is reconnect the battery, and it's a 12, maybe a 13, can't even remember what size it is. Come with me. Stay on, you bastard. Right, power lead's on, nothing's sparking or arcing, so should be good. And the keys, wherever they are, there they are. Right, and the purpose of this now is to, one, make sure the engine rotates nicely, and then two, make sure that it actually pumps oil up to the top. So, oh yeah, best make sure it's not in gear as well. So spinning over nicely. I can't see oil. Definitely oil in there because I chucked about a litre over it last night. I'm going to leave you here and try and record it so I can look. Right. Spinning again.
With a playroom for kids. Do you dream of waking up to sunny mornings in your very first home? Or maybe you're keen to...
So we've got the timing set, but I have noticed I've got a fuel leak. So we'll sort that next. So my rear lights are on, so that's cool. But yeah, timing set. We knocked it onto 0, which is the spec in the Haynes manual. We'll see how it runs around at that. I will fix that fuel leak right now. But yeah, there we go. Wrapped up again. Ready for some more miles, and hopefully now ready for Retro Rides Gathering in August. Right, so I'm going to sort that out. Thanks for watching this short video, and if you could like and subscribe, that'd be great, and I'll catch you in the next one.